Hi, here we have another exponential equation 2 to the power of 9, 9 to the power of x over 8 to the power of 3, 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 4. So here we are going to find out the value of x. Let's start our solution. The first step, I was going to change this base 8 in the form of power. 2 to the power of 9, 9 to the power of x over 2 to the power of 3 give us 8. 4 raised to the power of 3, 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 4. If you remember the exponential rule we have, in which we are going to multiply the powers, that is a raised to the power m whole raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m times n. So I'm going to apply it here. So the next expression we will get 2 to the power of 9, 9 to the power of x over 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 4. Again, here I will going to use the exponential rule because here we have the same basis. The exponential rule we have a raised to the power m over a raised to the power n is equals to a raised to the power m minus n. So this equation turns to 2 to the power of 9, 9 to the power of x minus 3 times 3 raised to the power x is equals to 1 over 4. Now here I will going to change this 4 in the form of power to the power of 9, 9 to the power of x minus 3 times 3 to the power of x is equals to 1 over 2 to the power of 2. Now again I will going to take this 2 to the power of 2 to the numerator, so the power will turn to negative 2. So the next expression we get 2 to the power of 9, 9 to the power of x minus 3 times 3 to the power of x is equals to 2 to the power of negative 2. Now here we have the same basis, so we can equate the powers. 9 to the power of x minus 3 times 3 to the power of x is equals to the negative 2. Here I will going to take this negative 2 to the left hand side, so the equation we will get 9 to the power of x minus 3 times 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 0. Next, I will going to change this 9 in the form of power, so 3 to the power of 2, 4 raised to the power x minus 3 times 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here I'm going to use the exponential rule in which we are going to exchange the power, that is, so I'm going to apply it here. It will turn to 3 to the power of x 4 raised to the power 2 minus 3 times 3 to the power of x plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here I will going to let 3 to the power of x is equals to t in replacement of 3 to the power of x. So the equation turns to t square minus 3, and this will turn to t plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here we get the quadratic equation. So here we can easily solve this quadratic equation by factoring it. So here we have the last number, that is 2. Now I'm going to write the factor for this. As I'm going to add up, I will get 3. 1 times 2 give us 2, but here what sign are we going to take it here? So it will give me 3. Definitely minus 1 and minus 2 will give us minus 3. So the factors we will get for this, that is t square minus 2t minus t plus 2 is equals to 0. Now here I will going to take the common factor of t minus 2 minus 1, and then t minus plus minus 2 is equals to 0. Now here we're going to take this t minus 2 is equals to 0. t minus 1 is equals to 0. As I'm going to solve this, where t is equals to 2 and here t is equals to 1. Now I'm going to solve this case 1, that is t is equals to 2. So I'm going to recall 3 to the power of x is equals to t. So I'm going to replace this t with 2. 3 to the power of x is equals to 2. Now I'm going to take log both the side. Log 3 to the power of x is equals to log of 2. Here I'm going to use the logarithm rule, that is log of a raised to the power of y is equals to y log of a. So I'm going to apply it here. It will turn to x log of 3 is equals to log of 2. Now here, this log of 3 is multiplying, so it is going to be divided by this side. So log of 3 and here log of 3. This and this get cancelled, so the remaining expression will get x is equals to log of 2 over log of 3. Here I am going to use the logarithm rule. Log of a over log of b is equals to log of base b of a. So this denominator turns to the base. So this expression turns to x is equals to log base of 3 of 2. And now I will going to solve case 2. First I was going to recall 3 to the power of x is equals to t. So now I'm going to place t is equals to 1. So here 3 to the power of x is equals to 1. Now what I was going to write in replacement of 1. Here I was going to use the exponential rule, that is a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So that is same as 3 to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So in replacement of 1, I will going to write 3 to the power of 0 here. 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 0. Here we have the same basis, a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of n. So here m is equals to n. So same as here, x is equals to 0. So this is our second x value. So thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.